Okay, so a phone call messed up my live, and I'm back. So, if you're watching this live, I just posted the other live that just ended, so we're just continuing on. Okay, you guys, so now I just did a pull through. I'm going to do another topsy tail, working my way down. If you did not see any of this earlier, please go back and watch the other half of this live that got messed up by a phone call. Yeah, so I'm just recreating the braid that I just posted today on my page that I did on Meg Legs at the Bombshell extension shoot. So pull throughs and topsy tails is all I've been doing this entire time. I think someone asked what I had in my hair before this. I had texture spray and like I think I had Royal Blowout in from Orbe. Okay, now a topsy tail. And you guys, if you've seen any of the posts that the hairstyles we did at the shoot on Monday for Bombshell extensions, it was insane. Probably my favorite shoot to date. We did a lot of course, like festival hairstyles for like Coachella and all of that good stuff, but the hair was like so insane. It was such a good team. And so those pictures will start coming out soon. Okay, now that I've like gone all the way down, again, if you didn't see the other part of this live, it's split up into two because something happened. My phone malfunctioned. So go back and watch my other live, but this is how I created my latest post. Topsy tails and pull throughs. Shorter haired girls, again, I know I'm going to get messages saying do stuff on shorter hair, but the problem is I do so much DIY and I have hand-tied extensions in, not taking them out because I would have to fly back to Arizona to get them put back in. So a lot of these hairstyles though, again, I use elastic. So like I'm creating faux braids for a reason because shorter haired girls, it's a lot easier when you're using some sort of an elastic rather than trying to create like a big full braid because you obviously don't have enough hair. So yeah, so here it is. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of hair, loosely wrap it around and pin it. The headband is from Free People. And again, you guys, if you're just joining, this live was cut short because I got a phone call. And so please go back and watch the other live to see kind of how I created this. I'm trying to think what else. Oh, hang on. I know a lot of people were asking for the tutorial on the tassel hairstyle that I posted. I will do one on myself soon. I'll try to do tutorials for like all the hairstyles we created at that shoot. This is just the first one. This one was easiest for me to do, so that's why we did this one first. For those of you guys who messaged me asking what the tassel contraption looked like, this is it. If you saw the post with it, it's on a hair tie. And that's what it looks like. It's from Free People. It's great. I'll do a swipe up on it. But yeah. So this is tutorial for latest post that I did. Hang on, doggy. Say hi. Say hi, Zoe. She's crazy. All right, you guys. I will post like a picture of this in my stories. If you guys have any other hairstyles you want to see, please DM me or tag me. hairstylist. On Monday, we will be having a Bombshell Extensions class in Chicago. Tickets are still available. They are on the Bombshell Extensions website. You will learn all 6 methods of bombshell extensions. So that's beaded, weft, hand-tied, eye-tip, fusion, tape-in, and clip-in. And then there's a bonus styling portion with me. So if anybody's interested, bombshellextensions.com/education. Otherwise, it's finally warm in Chicago, so I want to get outside. But I hope everybody has a great Wednesday.